Yo, what's happening, guys? Welcome back to a new YouTube video, YouTube lesson number 2, guys. This is all about fundamentals. All right, now fundamentals slash news, guys. That is basically what this is going to be about. So, just a few announcements, guys. We do have a free webinar running the 27th of Jan. It's on a Saturday, 10 a.m. up until 1 p.m. So it will be like a session. It will be having multiple strategies. You will get free courses as well. You will get 4 free courses, and also you will be learning a lot of stuff, new stuff that we saw. We'll be teaching you guys how to look for brokers, what to look in brokers, and stuff like that. So this is going to be a very, very short video. I'm just gonna explain to you guys why fundamentals is so important and also what effects it does have on the market. So guys, welcome back to a new YouTube video. Guys, check the description out below. You will see our free Discord channel. So please make sure you're in that. We send a weekly analysis. We do send fundamentals for the day. We do update you guys on the news, what's going on. Just join the community, guys. It's absolutely free. You don't have to pay anything. Join our server. It's free. Yes, we do have our mentorship, but we're focusing this year on building a community, a free community to actually help you guys achieve what you need to. So drop a comment also below. Down below in the comment section, guys. If you want to see more of these videos, if you guys like this content, please drop a like, guys. Don't be scared. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Now, guys, this is fundamental analysis. Now, the first section we're going to start with, guys, is basically, I think it's the most basic. I think also it's the most important thing, right? Where to check fundamentals. Now, in the description below, I will have the links to these 3 websites where you guys can go check it out, and you guys can play around on it and check where the high volatility news or high impact news events is coming out and all of those like the things. So obviously, the first one, we have my FX book. Now we'll have the link down in the description, as I mentioned. So go check it out. Go watch the news every single trading day, all of this stuff. So you need to be updated with the economic events because they play a major role in the economies of the US. We all know the US economy is basically, that's where the fundamentals is based on. I think that is the biggest fundamental or biggest shift in the market when it comes to the US news. So Forex Factory is the second one, guys. And then investing.com. Now, all of these, I'm not sure about Forex Factory, but I know my FX book and investing.com is an app which you can download from the Play Store. So let's go on. The biggest fundamental events. Now, this is a few, guys. There's a lot, but this is the main ones that really moves price. Now, the first one you get is the non-farm payrolls. Now, just a little bit of a brief explanation of what the non-farm payroll. A lot of traders, they know NFP, but they don't know what it actually is about. Now, the non-farm payrolls is basically the number of jobs in the private sector, guys, and the government. So it's excluding farm payroll. So meaning it's excluding farmers. So that's basically what the NFP is about. Now, the FOMC, it's basically the committee. Like the FOMC is like they manage the economic stability and also monetary policies. Now, these guys, or these 12, I call them the 12 disciples. These people, like you get your Jerome Powell and Lisa, you get all of these guys, they basically set the standard. They basically manages the economy. So obviously they decide on interest rate cuts, inflation data. They decide on all of these things. So that's a big news event to look out for. And then the third one is interest rates. Now, interest rates is very tricky. So these are the economy. The interest rates is basically depending on the inflation as well. Once inflation is high, they will rise interest rates. If inflation is low, they need to keep stability, guys. The next one is employment change and unemployment rate. Now, unemployment rate, we all know what that is about. That is the number of jobs, and also the employment change is the number of jobs created. Unemployment rate is basically how many people basically still have no jobs. So then last but not least is the CPI, now Consumer Price Index. Now, this basically is an understanding of the prices in the retail space and the people spending, basically spending money. How much people is spending money, what's happening, the prices, the producer price index is the PPI. That's also the change in price from the producer. So these are the biggest fundamental events you need to look out for. Now, I'm not saying you should ignore the rest, but these are the ones that really moves the market, right? These are big events. Then the next one, the dangers of trading news events. Now, I know there's a lot of fundamental traders out there. That's not a problem, guys. I don't have a problem with fundamentals. I don't normally trade fundamentals. But if a technical setup is lined up with the fundamentals and what they expect, then I will definitely be entering a trade with a good risk to reward ratio and also good risk management as well. So the dangers of trading news events. Guys, now this is a thing that we get a lot, slippage. Now, slippage with the brokers, right? Slippage is basically where price moves too fast from the interbanking system that the brokers cannot keep up. So they open at a new price. So this happens within seconds. Slippage can be damaging. So where price currently is, you will see something happened with me the other day as well, where I was trading AUD and I saw the slippage coming in. And late at night, I was holding a trade overnight, but I saw the slippage came in, and then price basically just spiked to the downside, and the spread increased, and all of the spice the price basically slipped to another price, and then on trading view it was basically the same. So it's two different entities. I do understand brokers work differently. Sometimes the price of the volume comes through too quick, and then that's where slippage occurs. High volume and volatility. Now, that's basically what I was speaking around. The market spikes a lot. So this is the dangers of trading news events. Price moves very fast. Now it moves in split seconds, guys. So once a news release basically prints like NFP or CPI, you will see the market spiking, the candles just spiking out of the blue. So liquidity grabs happening in a split second. Now that's where where price go fetch liquidity. Now that's basically when you understand liquidity and where liquidity is and where the market thrives to, you will understand why liquidity grabs happen with high news events. So sometimes, I don't know if this happened to you before, you as a viewer, but sometimes it happens where the market basically just goes down in a split second and then just continues to the upside and spikes to the upside. Now, that's what we call a liquidity grab, grabbing all that massive orders and basically trying to utilize those orders and enable to get that spikes. Spreads increase, guys. Now, spreads is basically the bid and ask price, guys, for you guys that don't know what it is. Now that increases a lot. Now the spread, what I call it, is it widens. Now that is basically, it is a messy thing, because if the spread widens, guys, where you entered price, even if the market is 10 pips, let's say 5 to 10 pips in profit, if the spread is wide, guys, you will still be in drawdown. So that is basically what it is. And then solutions, guys, what is the solutions to this problem about fundamentals? So check the fundamentals for each trading that you take on. Now that is very important. Before you even enter the market, check in the mornings the fundamentals. I showed you guys where to get those fundamentals. Guys, I'm telling you, check the fundamentals for each trading day. Try and avoid those pairs that the fundamentals line up with. Wait for the release to print to see where the market wants to go. Now, some of you like the spike. People like the spike. They like the volatility. But when the news prints positive, you know the market is trying to go. It's going to go up. So for that respective pair, try and line your technical analysis up with the news event that is printed. Now, that is true. Once you see your technical analysis lines up with the positive or the bearish or the bullish news event, you know that's when you can take a calculated chance. So basically, that is what it is about. So, guys, don't forget to check out the link in the description. Guys, join our Discord. We're having a free webinar where we will share free courses just to attend the webinar, you will receive free education. Guys, this is a win-win situation for everyone. So I hope to see you guys. There is limited space, guys, so make sure you go to our Discord channel, and there you will have the steps to actually RSVP for the event. So I hope this was helpful. I hope you guys enjoyed this fundamentals content, guys. Please comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Guys, this will just ensure that you receive the video first. Join the free community in our Discord, guys. Link in this description, and also the links in the description for the fundamental websites. Guys, hope you guys enjoy the content. On to the next one. See you guys.